Siloed and poorly governed data is a burden to manufacturing companies. With information spread out in different enterprise systems, your sales and order fulfillment teams will base critical business decisions on wrong or outdated data, leading to internal frustration, inefficient business processes, and in the end, customer dissatisfaction. CPQ is no exception. To maximize the value of your CPQ investment, it needs to be fed with data types that are typically mastered in other enterprise systems. And after CPQ has configured, priced, and quoted a solution for your customer, there are several downstream systems that need that output data to create value in their business processes. Seamless, cross-functional data flows such as these are key success factors to become a truly data-driven company. But how do you set up and maintain such integrations in a quick and cost-effective way? Tacton CPQ's Connect to Anything simplifies your CPQ integrations without code or involvement from your IT department. Powered by Workato, Tacton CPQ offers more than 600 pre-built connectors for quick and efficient automation. Setting up an integration between Tacton CPQ and other systems is easy. Let's assume that you want to empower your sales rep to send the configuration and pricing results from Tacton CPQ to SAP ERP systems with a push of a button to automatically create an order. With a no-code drag-and-drop interface, you first provide credentials to each of the systems. Then, you bring up the pre-prepared connectors for each side, which lists all the fields and attributes and actions that are available for Tacton CPQ and SAP respectively. Next, you create a so-called recipe, including triggers and the following actions on the SAP side. By mapping fields and data types on one side with corresponding field and data types on the other, you ensure that the order content from Tacton CPQ ends up in the right place in SAP. After the order has been created in SAP, you make sure that the order number is shown on the solution object in Tacton CPQ. Done! Let's test the integration. As I click the button, I can track the progress of the order in Workato, including any error messages. I notice that the order has been created in SAP with data from Tacton CPQ and that the order number is displayed in Tacton. That's it. With Tacton's Connect to Anything's ready-made enterprise connectors, you empower your team to manage data flows to and from Tacton CPQ without any coding skills. Tacton CPQ Connect to Anything is compliant with global security standards and is fully SaaS hosted. Without reliance on heavy IT projects or integration middleware, you get data in and out of Tacton CPQ faster and cheaper. By the joint forces of the leader of CPQ and the leader of integration platforms, breaking down your data silos has never been easier. Become a data-driven company today with Tacton CPQ's Connect to Anything.